So for this question, we know that C is the hypotenuse, and then we've got A and we've got B. And likewise, angle B is here opposite little b, angle A is here, and then angle C is here. So now we know that A is 20, and we know that sine of B is 1/2. So what is sine of B? Sine of B is opposite over hypotenuse. So since sine of B is also opposite over hypotenuse, which is B over C, we also know that this equals 1/2. So I basically know that B over C equals 1 over 2, which means that there's a relationship between B and C. B, if it's X, if it's 1X, C would be 2X. So now we can use this via Pythagorean's theorem to solve for B and C. So now using Pythagorean's theorem, I can say A, which is 20 squared, plus B, which I'll call X, is X squared, equals C squared, which is 2X squared. And then 2X squared is 4X squared, right? I'm squaring both, equal to X squared plus 20 squared, which is 400. Now I'm going to subtract X squared from both sides. I get 400 equals 3X squared. Then I'm going to divide both sides by 3. And X squared equals 400 over 3. Last but not least, I'm going to take the square root of both sides. And X equals square root of 400 is 20, and the square root of 3 is 3. Just to rationalize this, by the way, we could say plus or minus, but this is length, so we don't have to worry about a negative. So then I'm going to rationalize the denominator by multiplying by rad 3 and over rad 3. So then I get X equals 20 rad 3 over 3. And again, X is B. So that really means B equals 20 rad 3 over 3. And now when we get to C, C is just double this, right? So C is 2 times that, which is 40 rad 3 over 3. So there are your two answers. Boom.